As full-time home renovators in a house that's almost always under construction, we usually wished we had a few more hands in help.
And with Alexa, we do.
Alexa, start my morning shine routine.
The current weather is 86 degrees Fahrenheit with partly sunny skies. At the moment, traffic on your commute looks pretty clear.
Alexa, turn on the lights.
Someone is at the front door.
Oh, Chris, the new rug's here.
Alexa, shuffle my slow jams.
Shuffling slow jams from Chris's Spotify.
Alexa, add a smart light to my cart.
Added it to your Amazon cart for review.
And when it's time for my favorite time of day, it's lamp o'clock.
Alexa, turn on the lights in the living room.
She knows what to do.
Life always feels a little more manageable, a little more doable, and a little more helpful with Alexa.
Alexa, turn off the lights in the hallway. Alexa, it's time for bed.
Nighty-night. Get some good rest.
Make your home smarter with Alexa and Alexa-compatible devices. Subscribe to the Amazon Alexa YouTube channel.